Whether you're building a marketing funnel, promoting a product, or collecting leads, Zoho LandingPage offers an easy drag-and-drop interface to create beautiful, high-converting landing pages without writing a single line of code. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a landing page using Zoho LandingPage. So if you are ready to take your online presentations to the next level, let's begin. So before you can connect anything to Zoho, you need to create an account. Why? Because Zoho's ecosystem is account-based, and that account gives you access to all the Zoho apps in one dashboard, including the Zoho landing page. Now the thing is, you need to visit the official website of Zoho, which is zoho.com. On the top corner, you have the option to sign up using your work email or your business email. And to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google, your LinkedIn, or your Microsoft account. And then, you should be able to access the Zoho landing page builder without any problems once you have successfully created your account in Zoho. Once you have created your account, simply click on Access Your Apps, and you will be taken to this page where all your Zoho applications are displayed. Now, if you cannot find Zoho landing page in the list, just go to the search bar and type landing page. Zoho landing page will appear in the results. After that, simply click on Try Now, and it will take you directly to the Zoho landing page interface. Here, you just have to click on the Access Landing Page option, and you will be redirected inside the tool to start building your landing pages. Loading times may vary, and at this point you want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. And you need to provide as much information as you can, because that helps the Zoho landing page algorithm provide a customizable dashboard for you. Right off the bat, you can get started with a template that you may like, or best represents your brand or logo. So you can choose from lead generation, e-commerce, webinar, event, real estate, and there's basically a lot that you can choose. Now we're going to choose the most, let's say, easiest for now, for example, coming soon. And all the templates related to coming soon will be displayed on your screen. Here, you simply have to choose the one you want to create. Select the template that matches your style or design preference, and you can start customizing it according to your needs. If you want to preview the template, you want to make sure that it reflects the logo and identity or branding of your company or your organization. On the center, you have the desktop view, tablet view, and the mobile view to check its responsiveness. And once you're happy with this, I want you to click the Start Building, because that would forward you to the landing page builder. And you can rename the page, for example, Zoho landing page if you have that already. Click the Create button, and then we will be forwarded to the builder or editor. Alright, it'll take a little while. And there you have it. Don't worry, because the editor is very easy to use, it's user-friendly. Once here, you have many tools, like we have the Insert button here on the left side that gives you all the tools. You have the sections. That's going to be the header category and the About section. For example, if you want to add your About section here, you can simply drag and drop. There's going to be a plus button here at the bottom, wherein you can simply drag and drop it here. It's very simple, and you have successfully created your About section. Now, if you want to edit this, there's going to be a section here for the settings. And then you have the image. If you want to choose the column, you can do that. You can choose to show one device, and you have more settings along the way. I leave the exploration and the creativity to you, but we are here just to show you around more tools right here. If you want to insert more, let's say if you want to add a pop-up, you can create a new pop-up from scratch. And maybe, let's say we're going to use this one. Join our community. We're going to create something like that. And it will be added now to the form. And you can drag this basically here. And you have more controls here. If you want to customize the border, the spacing, and allow and more. Now if you go back here, you can add more headings along the way. You can drag it, drop it here from text. You can also put an embed iframe if you're, let's say, for example, working in a WordPress and Squarespace. If you have a specific website that you want to embed that, you can do so. You can also add your social profile like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. It's all up to you. Now, if you go back again to the editor, let's click Configure here. We now have the design section here, as well as the integration if you want to configure the pop-up. And then click the Save and Next. Now, if you go back to the main editor and you're satisfied with all the changes you've made, simply click on the Preview button. This will let you see exactly how your design looks in real time, so you can confirm that everything appears the way you want. If everything looks perfect and you're happy with the final design, the last step is to click on the Publish button. This will make your landing page go live, and your updated design will now be visible to everyone. Here, you have the ability to publish for free, and you can configure the time frame to publish and unpublish your landing page. You can schedule if you want to publish on a specific date, or maybe unpublish on another date. But for now, we're not going to use that. We can use the Publish for Free option, because if you wanted to use a custom domain, it would require you to subscribe to the premium plan. If you're not yet sure if Zoho LandingPage is going to be the platform that answers your business needs, I want you to skip that for now and go for the Publish for Free option so that you can immerse yourself in the platform first. But the subdomain is mandatory, and you need to add your domain. For example, in our case, that's that. Click the Publish button, and then I believe we're good to go. It takes a little while. If you are having issues accessing the Zoho LandingPage website, you want to make sure that you are not using a VPN, because that could interfere with the connection. And if you want to view SEO insights, you also have the ability to do that. You want to make sure that your landing page is performing well, and you can even generate a detailed report. You have the leads and analytics sections right there for you to make informed decisions about using Zoho LandingPage to create your first landing page. And this is going to be your workspace. If you want to add a new workspace, you can do that by creating a new page or creating a new group, depending on your preferences. And you see, you can integrate the Zoho LandingPage with all these Zoho apps. Zoho LandingPage gives you everything you need to create beautiful, high-converting landing pages without any coding. With its drag-and-drop editor, professionally designed templates, and built-in optimization tools, you can launch pages that match your brand and achieve your marketing goals with ease. Whether you're promoting a product, running a campaign, or collecting leads, Zoho LandingPage ensures your ideas go live quickly and look great on every device. It's simple, powerful, and designed to help you grow. And that's wrap up our tutorial, and that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.